Today's weather, not so wonderful. It's going to feel cool out there, and it's raining this morning.
Unfortunately, yeah, the rain has been going on for a few hours, and it's going to go on most of the day. We had so much of this over the weekend, and I hope everybody got a chance to get outside and enjoy the glorious weather we experienced over the past 4 days. We had some beautiful sunshine, temperatures in the 60s 3 straight days, and some beautiful fall colors to go with that. There's a picture from Chester Woods Park. Marina Kepler sent in the picture, all the colors there, and maybe the best color of them all, the blue in the sky overhead. We had so much beautiful sunshine, mid and upper 60s all weekend long. Today we're dealing with rain, and you see that rain falling right now, droplets in the camera lens. This is looking live to the east along Interstate 90 with our Lewis Donato live camera in Austin, and here in Rochester, kind of the same story. Wet pavement along Bandle Road, looking to the south with our camera, and it's a dreary morning. Rain continues to fall. It's been going on since about 2 o'clock this morning, 2:30 or so. 47 right now, feels like 42. Winds a little brisk at times. We've had gusts beyond 20 miles per hour. Expect that through much of the day. Those east winds kind of making things a little unpleasant out there, adding to the misery. Air pressure is falling. We have showers and we have temperatures in the 40s in most spots this morning. Dodge Center 45 at this hour, Zumbrota 48, it's 49 in Mason City. Rushford now at 49. Windy and wet today. Tomorrow another fairly damp day. Not as much rain tomorrow as there will be today, but rain chances do persist though. And another, in fact, even windier day with the system then finally moving out. Later this week, less wind, more sun. But cool is the rule, because we're not going to have a whole lot of warmth to talk about. In fact, every day this week, almost every day, will be cooler than the seasonal average, certainly after today. But rain continues to work its way across the map. We see the dreariness in Austin, here in Rochester, the gloom, the dampness, the unsettled weather, and all of that continues. That rain continues to move in from the south. The center of the system still to our west, and it's going to be wobbling its way across the area. It will bring some changes as it does so. We're going to have the persistent rain ahead of it as the system then moves on through. May get a break here and there in the rain, but we also may have maybe a little thunder as that center of low pressure moves through in the middle part of the day. Right now, so far since midnight, almost 2/10 of an inch of rain at the Rochester International Airport. Mason City, almost half an inch, 49/100 of an inch there, and Charles City, 68/100 of an inch. All of that since midnight. We'll see more and more of that, up to an inch by day's end in the area as rain continues to work its way across the map. Maybe a little bit of thunder late morning into the afternoon as that center of low pressure comes in. We get a break from showers for a time, spotty showers, but maybe not the solidly wet scene that we're experiencing now, and we will experience most of the day. But after about 6 or 7 o'clock tonight, more of that steady rain building in on the backside of the system. Much lighter rain, but still looking at rain for the most part through the weather picture. 47 of that morning commute, blustery and cool, light rain, those chilly east and eventually southeast winds continuing. 47 in Rochester, it's 54 right now in Waterloo. The backside of the system a little bit cooler, 43 in Pierce, South Dakota, 47 in Aberdeen, South Dakota. So rain, maybe a little bit of midday thunder, and those winds in that still at 15 to 20 mile per hour range. 57 the expected high. That's actually close to the seasonal average, and the only time this week I think we'll be able to say that. Not the 60s that we had over the weekend, certainly. But there's that center of low pressure moving through. Maybe a break from the showers at times in midday, but more rain wrapping around tonight. Kind of a raw wind out of the west. 20, 30, gusting to 40 miles per hour. Now those 40 mile per hour gusts tomorrow. Most of the rain in the morning. Spotty showers in the afternoon. But by the time we get to Tuesday night, playoff football action, a little less windy, drier, and maybe some breaks in the clouds, but only low 40s for temperatures by then, even upper 30s in the wind chill and upper 20s for that span of time. And then a chilly Wednesday, a little bit of rain comes in from the west, perhaps mixing with snow for those couple of days, Tuesday and Wednesday. But certainly today, a solidly wet day, but we get drier later this week. Temperatures do not get much better, even with the addition of sunshine in that weather picture later this week and heading into the weekend. None of those 60s, 56 the seasonal average, and very few times we will get there this week. 59 today in Austin, 56 Mason City. Showers continue, maybe a rumble of thunder at midday. Winds turning to the southwest this afternoon. Tonight, 39, a windy night. Periods of light rain. Tomorrow, rain through maybe early afternoon, drying out in the evening. Still a windy day. And then rain, maybe mixing with some wet snowflakes initially on Wednesday, but a light dose of rain. Not as much wind, at least. Then we get move to the latter part of the week and finally begin to see some sunshine.
Well, thank goodness so many people had a nice long weekend to enjoy the good weather.
Yeah, I hope everybody got a chance to enjoy that. We really had some phenomenal weather.
Thank